Hi, welcome to day 4 of our 365 days of web development. So today we'll be talking about line breaks and horizontal line. So a line break forces the text to move to a new line, similar to you pressing the enter. Okay, so if you can see this example right now, you can see that the hello and the word, there is a line break between them. So that line break, when you output it now, it's going to be hello and the word will come in a new line. So the break element, which is the BR element, is actually a self-closing tag, meaning that it doesn't need the closing tag. It only has the opening tag. It doesn't have the closing tag. Then the horizontal line also creates a visible divider across the page. So when you have two words, all right, if you want a divider between them, or if you have two texts and you want a divider between them, you use the horizontal line. And if you have two texts and you want the second text, all right, to be you want the second text to come into a new line, you use the break the line break element. Okay, so open up your code editor, create a folder called day 4, and inside the folder, create another file called index.html. So inside of the index.html, you will have this code inside of it, okay? Take a look at this code, all right? Take a look at this code. So you can see here now, we here on the body, we have the H to say welcome to day 4. And then inside it, we have a paragraph here. We say this is the first line of text. And after this first line of text, we have a break. We have a break element here. So it's going to break this text. The second one that says this is the second line is going to come after in a new line. Then the other one, and this is the third line. The third line will also come in a new line. And then if you see between this paragraph and the next paragraph, we have the HR. All right. So if I run this code now, you're going to see the difference. So you can see this is the first line of text. All right. Because there is a break. There is a break element. Look at it. There is a break element after the first line of text. There is a break element. That is why, although this is a full text, all right, if I remove the break elements now, you're going to see that all of them are going to be in the same. Going to be in the same line. But because of we have this break element, you can see that they broke into the new line. So the horizontal line creates a line. Look at the line that it creates. It creates a line between the first section and the second section. So if I go back now and remove all this break, if I remove all this break, you're going to see the difference. All right, they will no longer be, they will not be, you can see now, they are together now. Do you understand? They are no longer in breaks. And you can see this